This is my drawing of Fennekin from Pokemon, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. We're going to begin our lesson in the center page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. You want to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then curl that back up towards the top. And then we're going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So start from the very top, right about here, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now let's go to the center of each eye. We're going to draw a smaller oval right in the middle, and fill that in black for the pupils. Let's go in between the eyes. We're going to leave a little gap and draw a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Now let's draw the eyelid. We're going to wrap this around the eye. We're going to go up on the left, go around the eye, come down, and just pull that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to go up, go around the outside, come down, and then bend that in. Now just underneath that center line, we're going to add a curve for the nose, going up and down, come down and in towards the middle. Now I'm just going to fill the inside of the nose in black. From the tip of the nose, let's go all the way down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's add those little wrinkles in the center of the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line coming down. And then on the sides, we're going to angle these up and out. Now I want to line up that center line on the outside of the eyes. We're going to add that fur. We're going to go out and curl that up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the tip, bend this down and then in towards the side. Let's add another layer underneath. Starting on the left, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the chin. And I'll connect these two lines with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's curve the outside of the head. From the eye, we're going to step over, curve this up. I'm going to bend this in to right about there. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to go up and then bend that in. Let's work our way across the inside of the ear. Starting back on the left, go up and then bend that out. Now I'm going to layer that fur inside the ears. Let's start in the center of this line. Bend this up and then out. Bend this down and then in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up. And then we're going to add a smaller point. Going out with a slight curve. Bend this down and then in. From this point, we're going to step down, bend this out, and then up. Then we're going to come all the way down and just pull that in towards the side. Let's add another layer underneath. So we're going to step over, goes down, and I just want to pull that in towards the side of the head. Now along the top of the ear, we're going to leave a small gap. I'm just going to add a curve for the top of the head going across and then down. And we'll layer the top outside edge of the ear. We're going to step in, curve this up, on that curve going out towards the tip of the ear, and do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's work our way around the outside of the ear. We're going to curve this out, come down in behind the fur. Let's go down underneath, pull this down and then in towards the cheeks. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start with a gap in the center, start on the left side of the neck, bend this down and out. Just going to round out the leg and then pull that in towards the ankle. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right side. So we're going to move over, come down and out, round out the leg, and then pull that in towards the same height. Let's round out the feet. On the left, we're going to come down, round out the foot, go up, and give it a slight bend going out. In between the feet, we're going to draw a straight line going across. Now let's go to the outside and draw the thigh. Up here, bend this out and then down with a short curve. Now I want to add that fur along the side of the leg. So we're going to step up, bend this out and then up. And I'll add a point coming down and then in toward the side. Let's add a smaller point, going out with a small curve, coming down and then in. Now from here, we're going to step up, curl the leg, coming down and in just beside the leg in the front. And I'll tuck the feet in underneath. So stepping out, goes out, and pull that back in. Now the last thing we're going to do is add that large tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the side of the neck on the left. Finish up, go across, and then up towards the tip. I'm going to pull this down and then in towards the outside of the leg. And let's add that decorative detail on the end. We're going to add these points, starting from the outside, going up, and add 2 points on the inside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Fennekin from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.